All right, now everything's fully out like that. This does shake around. Trying to figure out the best way for you guys to get the best view, so I'm gonna put you down right there. Not the greatest. Shake the shifter around. There are a few connections. Let me try my needle nose pliers. There, got these connections. Right on the back of the shifter itself, there's a little connection. I've already got my nut that I lost a while ago out of the way, and you got to pick this way up. Alright, now I can get to my other connection here. Needle nose, push that tab down, pull him out. And that one's right on the bottom of the shifter. And it goes up to the light that lights up your, let's see. This right here, this connection to black wires, go up to the light. There we go. Goes up to the light right here that lights up all of your park, reverse, neutral, drive. Maybe I can get it out now. And there we are. Not the most intuitive, not the best videos. Sorry for that, guys. And plus, there's a little white tab right here that pushes into the side. I forgot to tell you guys about that, but you can see it. There's your bolts come through the floor. Here's the little tiny connection that goes right on the back of the shifter. And then you got the other connection that goes up for your lighting. So there you are. I'm gonna go break it down. I guess show y'all the process of that in just a few minutes.